Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? Hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Tutorial, it's gonna be about spring makeup look. So in this collaboration, I'm gonna be collaborating with Chocolate Bunny _ Beauty. I'm gonna be collaborating with Coco Almond Joy. I have a Kihana Talented, IG Love 3. I have Tasha _ Society. Please, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I upload. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's jump right into this video. Looking weird right now, so this is powder under my eye just to be able to catch up the fallout from the eyeshadow that I intend to use. I intend to use this neon eyeshadow, the one I featured in one of my video by Dorela Cosmetics. This is it right here, and this one is called Fears, and that's the one I decided to use. And I'm going to be using this palette also by BH Cosmetics because I have some colors like I'm going to use as my transition color over there. I intend to use this and this as my transition color before jumping into that. Okay, we are going for core crease. I hope my hand will be stable again today. All right, so, and I'm going to be using eyelashes by Miss Beauty collection. I already showed you guys in one of my videos. This is the second one that I've not tried before, so I'm going to be using this bad boy today. And I already primed my eyelid with the primer by Urban Decay. One right here, the lighter one right here, that's the one I'm gonna use. We saving our money, we be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. And guys, I'm gonna be doing my face off the camera. We all know the drill by now. Like, if I don't have any new product to feature, I don't want to waste time when it comes to foundation, highlighter, contour and all that. I don't want to prolong the matter because everybody knows how to apply their foundation, their contouring and highlighting. If not, there are many videos on YouTube that you can watch. So why do I want to waste your time? No guys, I don't want to do that. That's why. But if I have new foundation, of course I will review it to let you know how it works, but the application is just going to be the same. Right now I'm going to go into this to put on my crease.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love.
So I'll go ahead and just do a little bit of blending.
I'm used to being solo, but it was good when you came to me. You were the
So now we're going to move on to cut the crease. So I'm going to use this concealer by Black Radiance. I think this is fun. So let me catch my breath.
I gotta let you know that can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place.
You all see it. I'll go off the camera and do the second one. All right, it's the same procedure. I don't want to waste time. All right. So fam, when I decided to cut my crease on the camera, you know, I cut this on the camera. I went off to cut this off the camera. I realized that this one was higher than this one, so I just have to fix this side to make them look, you know, equal, kind of, right? So let's move on to the next phase, which is to put my neon color from Dorela Cosmetics Fears. I'm going to be packing that on into the place that I cut. Obviously you can tell I already cleaned up the fallout in order to make it look good, neat. and I had to clean everywhere around here. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to the next phase. So I'm gonna take this brown hair that I used part of my transition. I'm gonna use it to darken the outer part of my eye. Now let's kind of blend them together a little bit. The next thing, I'm going to line my lash line with the same liquid eyeliner by Dorilla Cosmetics.
We about to go one. They know you better be at this party. They know.
So I applied my first lashes of the camera, and these lashes are by Miss Beauty Collection. This is one of the lashes she sent to me, and this is it. It's very light. That's one thing I want to talk to you guys about, because I never said anything about that the last time. I said they are gorgeous, even the packaging, but they are very light. Like, look at this. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go off the camera and do the rest of my face, then we do the lipstick, and we call it tudo. Alright, I'll be right back.
I can take it anywhere she comes by. They know you and me. Baby, won't you come? Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad you make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place.
Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs. Let's go. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane.
Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for watching it up onto this clip. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider joining the Simply family by hitting the subscribe button, and please do turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.